mentioned intraglandular cleft in your study guide?
Yes.
Under histology. Well, look here, under gross anatomy and histology, sometimes they may overlap, so don't get upset. If you do not find in one, you will find in other. Okay? So we are done with anterior and posterior pituitary. If you have any question, ask me. And I move to another slide. Before I do so, I'd like you to look here. I have drawn 3 thyroid follicles. Thyroid follicles are made of simple cuboidal epithelium. Each follicle is made of follicular cells. Follicular cells secrete thyroid hormones T3 and T4. In between follicles or by the side of follicles, you can see some cells called parafollicular cells. These parafollicular cells secrete the hormone calcitonin, CT. In the lumen of the thyroid follicles, you will find the protein colloid, a colloidal substance containing the protein called thyroglobulin or TGB. Now this is the source of ingredient for making T3 and T4. So what is the precursor for T3 and T4? Is an amino acid. Amino acids make protein. This amino acid is called tyrosin. Tyrosin is iodinated. This number 3, number 4, that represents the number of iodine atoms. T3 is called triiodothyronine. T4 is thyroxine. There are 4. So the molecule is saturated by 4 iodine atoms. T3 and T4. These are generally the thyroid hormones. By thyroid hormones we mean generally these 2. But there is other hormone, calcitonin, secreted by parafollicular cells here, CT calcitonin. Now TGB is thyroglobulin, that is the protein pool from where tyrosin is derived or obtained. And then these cells will trap iodine atoms from blood, and iodine atoms will be available from food, like we take iodized salts. Yeah? If we stop taking iodized salts, then there will be some depletion of nutrient. We may have trouble with the thyroid secretion. You get that? Deficiency of iodine would result in what? The excess work for thyroid gland. And what will result? What will be the result? Goiter. Have you heard of goiter? No? You have to go to the end of the chapter 18 and you can see by yourself what happens in goiter. That is due to hyposecretion or hypofunction of thyroid gland. At the end of the chapter, you can see some diagrams and still go. Can you see there on those pictures, photographs? Look at that Asian lady. Mm-hmm. Yeah? Anyway. Now, I have written down another protein name because since these T3 and T4 are not soluble in water, not soluble in blood, and they are transported by blood, by a transporter protein called TBG. TBG is thyroxine binding globulin. You will learn that in lecture about TBG. But anyway, on the posterior side of thyroid gland are parathyroid glands, and the principal cells of parathyroid gland secrete parathyroid hormone or parathormone or PTH. So I'm going to show you thyroid gland and parathyroid gland.